Good morning students. Today video is going to see transformer. Transformer is a device used for converting low voltage into high voltage and high voltage into low voltage. What is mean by transform is a device used for converting low voltage into high voltage and high voltage into low voltage. It works on the principle of electromagnetic induction. It consists of primary and secondary coil insulated from each other. The alternating current flowing through the primary coil introduces magnetic field in the ion ring. The first one, the magnetic field of the ion ring induces a varying EMF in the secondary coil. See this picture. The first one, the step up transformer. The transformer used to change a low alternating voltage to a high alternating voltage is called a set up transformer. That is Vs greater than Vp in a setup transformer. The number of turns in the secondary coil is more than number of turns in the primary coil, Ns greater than Np. Okay, in the second one, see this step down transformer. The step down transformer, the transformer used to change a high alternative voltage to a low alternating voltage is called a step down transformer. In a step down transformer, the number of turns in the secondary coils are less than the number of turns in the primary coils. The formula pertaining to the transforms are given in the following equations. Number of primary turns Np divided by number of secondary turns Ns. Okay, primary turns Np, number of Np. Np means number of primary turns Np, and Ns number of secondary turns is equal to primary voltage divided by secondary voltage. The second one, number of secondary turns Ns divided by number of primary turns Np is equal to primary current Ip divided by secondary current Is. A transformer cannot be used with the direct current source because current in the primary coil is constant. Then there will be no change in the number of magnetic field lines linked with the secondary coil, and hence no EMF will be induced in the secondary coil. See these two types of transformers, set up transformer and set down transformer. The second one discuss about applications of electromagnets. The applications of electromagnetism. Electromagnetism has created a great evaluations in the field of engineering applications. In addition, this has caused a great impact on various fields such as medicine, industries, space, etc. The first one discuss speaker, the second one magnetic levitation trains, the third one medical system. The first one discuss speaker. Inside the speaker, an electromagnetic is placed in front of a permanent magnet. The magnet is fixed firmly in position, whereas the pass through the coil of the electromagnet, the directions of its magnetic field is repeat changed. This means that is in turn attracted to and repelled from the permanent magnet, vibrating back and forth. The electromagnetic is attached to coil made the flexible materials such as paper or plastics, which amplifies these vibrations, pumping sound waves into the surrounding air towards our ears. The second one discuss magnetic levitation train. The magnetic levitation train, this is magnetic levitation train. The first one, magnetic levitation, is the method by which an object is suspended with no support other than magnetic field. In a maglev train, two sets of magnetic are used, one set to repel and push the train up of the track, then another set to move the floating train ahead at great speed without friction. In this technology, there is no moving part. The train travel along a guideway of magnet with controls the trainer's stability and speed using the basic principle of magnet. The second one discuss about medical system. The medical system nowadays electromagnetic field play a key role in advanced medical equipment such as hypothermia treatments for cancer, implants and magnetic resonance imaging. Equipments working based on electromagnetism can scan even muter details of the human body. And the MRI scanning machine. Many of the medical equipment such as scanners, X-ray equipments and other equipments also use the principle of electromagnetism for their functionals. This topic magnetism and electromagnetism. Magnetism is also a north pole and south pole attractions and repulsions. Discuss already discussed yesterday class. The now class is the discuss electric generation, transformer and applications of electromagnetics. Applications of electromagnetics, three types of applications of electromagnetics: on speaker, magnetic levitation trains and medical system. Thank you.